Okay, so today we will see allied angles. So now, what do you mean by allied angles? Right? If difference of the angles is zero or integral multiple of pi by 2, integral multiple of pi by 2, if the difference of the angles is 0 or integral multiple of pi by 2, then that angles or those angles are called allied angles. Difference, you may say this is what sum or difference of two angles, sum or difference, that is addition and the subtraction. And now we are interested to find the trigonometric functions for these allied angles, and remember that as the formulas. Okay, so first, so we have already seen that what sine of pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 plus theta is what sine of pi by 2 plus theta, and so cos of pi by 2 plus theta, cos of pi by 2 minus theta, tan of pi by 2 plus theta, tan of pi by 2 minus theta. That is theta and pi by 2 minus theta. They are the allied angles, right? So what is this? So how can this? What is this? Tan pi by 2 minus theta, right? So already now you know the formula for sine A minus B, right? Just say only the formula for sine A minus B. You know that cos pi by 2 is 0 and sine pi by 2 is 1, right? Just say what is the first term? Sine pi by 2 cos theta. Sine pi by 2 is 1, right? So that means this is cos theta. Your first term is what? Cos theta. The second term is what? Minus sine theta cos pi by 2. But cos pi by 2 is 0. There is no second term, right? So only this is cos theta. Now again do this. What is sine pi by 2 cos theta? Again sine pi by 2 is 1. So this is what? Cos theta, right? And the second term is what? There is cos pi by 2, that is 0. So no second term. Now here what? Cos pi by 2. Here cos pi by 2 what? Cos pi by 2 cos theta. But cos pi by 2 is 0. So first term is 0 now. Then plus sign is there. So this is minus sin pi by 2 sin theta. Sin pi by 2 1. Therefore it is sin theta. Right? Orally we can do this. So cos pi by 2 minus theta is what? Cos pi by 2 cos theta. Again the first term is 0. Then this is what? Sin theta. This is what? Sin pi by 2 minus theta is just sin theta. And pi by 2 plus theta is what? Minus. Because you are in the here what? It may be the second quadrant in this. Okay. Okay. So tan pi by 2 plus theta. Tan pi by 2 plus theta. So this is what? Sin pi by 2 plus theta upon cos pi by 2 plus theta is what? Minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. And this will be what? Cot theta. This will be cot theta. Right? So we have seen already this. Now, so next we will see pi minus theta, pi plus theta. So sine of pi plus theta, cos of pi plus theta, tan of pi plus theta, Then we will see sine of pi minus theta, cos of pi minus theta, and tan of pi minus theta. So tan pi is 0. Okay. Now see, just say the formula and write all those things. Just say the formula only. So what is sin A plus B? So sin A plus B is what? sin A, but sin, no, you know that sin 1 pi, sin 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi is always 0, right? So there is no first term, right? Okay, so we write 1 and then for other we write this what? Sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos pi, right? Or simply write this. Right? Now see, sin pi is 0, so this term is 0. Sin theta cos pi is minus 1, so this is what? Minus sin theta, right? So very simple now. Again, this is what? This is cos plus, this is what? Cos pi cos theta minus sin pi sin theta, right? Now your sin pi is 0. Sin pi is 0. So this is what? Cos pi is minus 1. This is minus cos theta, right? Then tan pi plus theta. So you can apply the formula for tan A plus B also, right? Tan pi plus. But here what? You have the value of cos of pi plus theta, cos of pi plus theta also. So that is what then. So sin minus minus. So this is what? Again this is tan theta. Tan pi plus theta is tan theta, right? So sin pi minus theta is what? Sin pi cos theta minus sin theta cos pi, right? So sin pi is 0. So this term is 0 now. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus minus become plus. So this is sin theta. Now cos pi minus theta is what? Cos pi cos theta plus sin pi sin theta. Sin pi sin theta. Right? So cos pi is minus 1. So this is minus cos theta. This is 0. Right? So minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. Right? And tan pi minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. Okay, so pi. Now next. So if I 3 pi by 2, okay, sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta, cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta, tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta, right? Then sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta, sin 3 pi by 2 cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, so you should know the value of this sin 3 pi by 2. Okay, so 3 pi by 2 is on negative y axis. On negative axis your point is 0 minus 1. 0 is the value of cos and minus 1 is the value of sin, right? Okay, so this is what? Sin 3 pi by 2 cos theta plus cos theta sin sin theta cos 3 pi by 2. You know that cos r times pi by 2 is always 0, right? So all 3 pi by 2 is on negative y axis. So 0 minus 1. 0 is the value of cos and minus 1 is the value of sin. Now sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, right? So this is minus cos theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. So this is 0. So this is what? Minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. Okay. So now cos 3 by 2 plus theta. So this is what? Cos 3 pi by 2 cos theta minus sin 3 pi by 2 sin theta. So what is this? This is what? Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0 and sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. Minus minus become plus. So this is cos theta. This is cos theta. Okay. Now tan 3 pi by 2 you can do this one because what? You cannot apply tan A minus B because your tan 3 pi by 2 does not exist because tan pi by 2 is what? Sin pi by 3 pi by 2 upon cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, right? So therefore you cannot apply here the formula for tan A plus B now, right? So you have to do this. So this is what? Minus cos minus, both are minus. How it is possible? So this is what? Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. This is cos theta, right? So cos 3 pi by 2 cos theta minus, this is what? Minus this is sin theta. So this is what? Minus cot theta, right? Minus cot theta. Okay, sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So this is what? Sin 3 pi by 2 cos theta minus sin theta cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. So this term is 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. Okay. Now this one. So this is what? Cos 3 pi by 2 cos theta plus sin 3 pi by 2 sin theta. Okay. So cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So this is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. So now this will be what? Minus cos theta upon minus sin theta. So minus minus become plus. So this is plus cos theta. Cot. Okay. So now 3 pi by 2. So what we have seen? Pi by 2. Then pi. 3 pi by 2. Now we see for 2 pi now. So here we will replace this as 2 pi now. We replace here 2 pi. 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 Now note that your 2 pi is the period. And for sine and cos. For sine and cos. Okay, so this is what? Sine 2 pi. So this is what directly you can write, this is sine theta. Right? Sine theta. This is what? Cos theta. Because 2 pi is the period of, right? Okay, now here tan 2 pi. Don't write that directly to. So this is also tan. Okay, so this is also tan theta. Also tan theta. Right? Okay, now sine 2 pi minus theta is what? So see here, sine 2 pi cos theta. Then the second term is what? Minus sine theta cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1. Right? So this is minus sine theta. Now see how you can write this? Sine 2 pi plus minus theta. So this is what? Sine of minus theta actually. But sine of minus theta is sine theta. In this way also we can, because 2 pi is the period. Right? Your angle theta is what? Minus theta now. Again here what? This is what? Cos of minus theta. But cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. How you can write in terms of 2 pi? 2 pi plus minus theta. So that is cos minus theta. But cos minus theta is cos theta. Or you may write this is what? Cos 2 pi cos theta plus sin 2 pi sin theta. So you get cos theta. So tan 2 pi minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. This is also tan of minus theta. So this is what? Okay. So this is the trigonometric ratios of the allied angles. Right? So and this is what? 2 pi is also integral multiple of pi by 2. Right? So therefore they are called allied angles. We'll see some examples. Find the values of sine 495 degree. 495 degree. So we can write sine 495 degree in terms of 360 degree, because this is greater than 360 degree. Right? So if it's greater than 360 degrees, so what you have to do? You have to divide by this. What? 495 divided by 360. Right? Find here quotient, find here remainder. Right? Then we can write this 495 as what? 360 degree into quotient plus remainder. Right? So now this is allied angle. This is quadrantal angle. This will be. Right? So you get a value of this direct, sine of something, cos of something. You can find this one. Okay? So that means what? How we can write this is what? Sine of 360 degree. Because what? Twice of 360 degree is 720 degree. And this number is less than, so only one. This quotient is what? 1 here. So 360 degree. So this is 5. This is 3. And this is 1 again. Right? So 135 degree. So plus 135 degree. But 360 is the period of the sine. Right? Or you may apply sine A plus B. Right? So this is what, so we know that 360 is the period of this one. So this is sine 135 degree. Sine of 135 degree. Right? But again we don't know the value of sine 135 degree. Again we can write this as what? This is sine of 90 plus 45 degree. 90 plus 45 degree. So now you can apply sine A plus B, right? So this is what sine 90 degree cos 45 degree plus sine 45 degree cos 90 degree, right? But cos 90 degree is 0. Cos 90 degree is 0. So sine 90 degree is 1. So 1 into 1 by root 2 plus 0 now. So this is 1 upon root 2, right? So sine 495 degrees 1 by root 2, right? So if the number is what, the angle is greater than 360 degree, do this one, right? And apply your formula sin A plus B, cos A minus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, right? So if see that, so tan 2 pi does not exist because tan 2 pi, yes, tan 2 pi is exist, tan 2 pi is exist, tan pi is exist, but tan pi by 2 is not exist, tan 3 pi by 2 is not exist. Only for pi by 2 we have the problem, right? Okay, so next find the value of cos 930 degree, 930 degree. Now see, this is the greater than 360 degree, right? So you have to do the actual division. This is what 930 360. Forget about the degree now here, right? Okay, so this is what. So if 2 is what, you know that 36 to the 7 and 72. So 720 is less than 930. And if you take the third, this is what 1080. But this number is what, less than 1080. So you have to take 2 now here, right? So this is what 720. So 10 to 10, right? So how you can write this is what cos of 2 into 360 degree plus 1 degree, right? 210 degree. But 360 is the period, right? Right? So that means what, 360 into n is also period. That means what? So this will be what, cos of 210 degree, right? So again we have to write this is what, cos of, so 180 plus 30 degree now, right? This is cos of 180 plus 30 degree. That means this is what, pi plus pi by 3, pi by 6, right? So write this everything now. So this is what, write a formula for cos A plus B. So this is what, cos of 180 degree cos of 30 degree minus sin 180 degree sin of 30 degree. But sin 180 degree is 0. Cos 180 degree is minus 1 root 3 by 2 minus 0. So this is minus root 3 by 2. Now whether sine is correct or not, 210 degree is in what, third quadrant, right? All silver teacup. Only tan is positive in the third quadrant. So value of cos is what, negative here, right? So we are correct. Next, find the value of tan 840 degree. Tan 840 degree. Again 840 is greater than 360 degree. So do the division. So what, 840 360, right? So 2 720, right? This is 120 degree. Tan of 120 degree. So this is what is tan of 2 into 360 degree plus 120 degree, right? So this is what, tan of 120 degree. So we may write this as, so tan of 60 degree plus 60 degree. So can you write this is 90 plus 30 is 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60. So we write this as 180 minus 60. So that we can apply the formula for, this is also okay, no problem for this one, right? So but we need both the values. Okay, no problem. We write this what, so what, tan 60 degree plus tan 60 degree upon 1 minus tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree. Doesn't matter. Okay. So now tan 60 degree is what? Tan 60 degree means sin 60 degree upon cos 60 degree. Or see, if you don't remember, this is what? This is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. Suppose this is two opposite side of angle, 30 is 1, then this is root 3. Right? So you want tan. So this is what? Root 3 upon 1. So this is root 3. Right? Root 3 plus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3 into root 3. So this is 2 root 3 upon 1 minus 3. Upon 1 minus 3. So this is minus 2. Again 2 get cancelled. Minus 2 root. Minus root 3. Right? Minus root 3. So in this way you can find the trigonometric functions of any angle. Right? I hope that you can do this one. Right? So instead of 841, but see, this is what, then theta, whatever this theta will get, it must be 30 degree, 60 degree or 45 degree. Right? Then only you can evaluate this one. Okay? Okay, so we'll stop here.